Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 756, and today's topic of the lecture is the medicinal importance of morphine. Morphine is well known painkiller and analgesic. Morphine is natural product and it is isolated from opium, and this opium latex is extracted from opium plant, and opium is having more than 30 alkaloids. So out of those 30 alkaloids, morphine is one of the most powerful analgesic, sedative and also painkiller. Morphine is nowadays very much in use by cardiologists and in surgery. For cardiologists, actually they are using it as a painkiller, as a powerful analgesic, because once people are having heart attack, and in that attack they get severe chest pain, and that chest pain radiates from chest up to left arm, and even it can go to neck, it can go to head and abdominal. So people used to suffer from very deep sparking pain, and the synthetic analgesics are not effective. In that circumstances, only morphine injections are given. And also nowadays it is widely used in spinal surgery and in general surgery as a local anesthesia. It is also applied, and before surgery, even after surgery, post surgery, this is used to kill the pain. And also it is widely used if someone has got the injury in motor traffic accident. In that multiple injury, it's very painful, and in that case only morphine injections are given to control the pain, because it is having two effects. We know that morphine can act on central nervous system, and it is good sedative, and also it is a good painkiller. So that's why during surgery it is given before and after the surgery, and also in the injuries. But one thing, sometimes some neurosurgeons or general surgeons, they are not aware of its deep medicinal chemistry, because this morphine should not be given to the people who are having brain or head injury, because once there is head injury and there is some injury in brain or skull, it is harmful rather than controlling the pain or sedation. The reason is that this morphine can depress the breathing, respiratory system. So in that case, if there is a injury in brain and morphine is given in that case, it may become fatal, and then the patient or the person who is suffering from multiple brain injury may get breathing problem or choking, and it may lead to some emergency or death. So that's why in the case of brain injury, it is not given. Only when the other part of the body is having injury, it is given. It is also widely used in case of bone marrow pain. Those people who are suffering from chronic bone marrow cancer, and they have severe pain of bone or joint pain, also in rheumatoid arthritis, this morphine is widely used. And recently they have started using morphine for another two purposes. one purpose that if somebody is suffering from chronic cough and allergy, cough coughing, then morphine is given, and there is a very good positive impact of morphine. Secondly, also nowadays people are giving morphine if somebody is having chronic diarrhea, and if that diarrhea is not under control, then they are giving morphine to control diarrhea. So in this way, morphine is having lot of medicinal importance. It has lot of health benefit also, in the sense that if somebody is having some mental disorder or some problem, at least it is given as a sedative, and they can have sound sleep, and in injury it can relieve because it has very strong analgesic impact. And the structure I have given here, this is the morphine structure. It is alkaloid, and it is isolated from opium, and opium we are getting from opium plant, which is commonly known as poppy. Poppy is actually when the capsule and the leaf portion of that opium plant is called poppy. So from poppy we are isolating, extracting the opium, and from opium we are purifying this morphine alkaloid. And this alkaloid is having one aromatic ring, other one is aliphatic ring, and two OH group is there. This OH group is called phenolic group because it is linked to aromatic ring. Aromatic ring means where the 6 pi electrons are delocalized, and wherever aromatic system is there, where OH group is attached, that is called phenolic. And here this ring is not aromatic, here hydroxy group is attached, it is called alcoholic. So it is having two type of hydroxy pattern system. One is phenolic and other one is alcoholic. And it has nitrogen in the nucleus, and that nitrogen is having a methyl group, that is CH3, and it has the formula that is C17, H19, O3 and N. So this is actually morphine. So here the medicinal importance of morphine alkaloid, and the morphine structure is given, and which contains 17 carbon, that is C17, H19, O3, N is the molecular formula. Number 1 point. Morphine is very popular painkiller, well-known analgesic, and it is one of the several alkaloids present in opium. The dried opium leaf with capsule is called poppy. Actually the poppy is for opium plant, the common name. If anybody says poppy, means it is opium plant. And the botanical name opium plant is Papaver somniferum. Actually Papaver somniferum is a Latin word, botanical. It was coined in 1800, and it means deep sleep. And number 2, the morphine was first isolated in crystalline form in the year 1805 by German company, and that company his name is Emerck. Still Emerck pharmaceutical company is there. So Emerck was able to isolate the morphine in year 1805, and now the structure of morphine is established with molecular formula C17, H19, O3, N. Some other opium alkaloids which are also very important, and they are papaverine, codeine and narcotine. So all these points what I have written, I have already told you. So I am giving you in writing form because chemistry is very much evaporative. It can evaporate. So the students who are doing graduation in pharmacy or chemistry, they can copy down. So number 3, nowadays morphine is widely used to get relief of pain caused by heart attack or myocardial infarction. This pain is usually severe chest pain and that radiates to the inner side of left arm, neck, back and head. Number 4, morphine helps to ease the pain, and this is one of the most important use of morphine. I have already told you that this is one of the best natural product, alkaloid, morphine, as a painkiller as well as a sedative and as an anesthesia also. Important morphine in today's clinical practice. Morphine can help in relief of chronic bone and joint pain associated with sickle cell crisis. Number 5, it gives pain relief during and after the major surgery, where surgery may involve bone or organ of body. It is also used as spinal and general anesthesia to sedate the patients. Number 6, morphine injection is very effective in relief of pain caused by severe injury by road traffic accident. And I have already mentioned that only up to body, but if there is injury in brain, the surgeon should not give morphine in the case of brain, because it can depress the breathing. So the only morphine cannot be used in the case of brain injury because it can depress the breathing and that can cause emergency. So here number 7, morphine is used for pain relief in kidney stone as they obstruct the urine pass by giving severe pain. Also it is very helpful in water collected in lungs. By this patients get acute pain. So once people are getting kidney pain, and kidney pain means when there is a stone in kidney, it is very, very sharp and severe pain. So to control that pain, morphine is one of the most effective painkiller in that case. Number 8, morphine is also effective in severe joint pain caused by disabling diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis. Once there is chronic rheumatoid arthritis and where you are disabled because of that chronic joint pain, only morphine can help. Other drugs are not effective. Number 9, morphine is also used as cough suppressant. So recently they have started using as a cough suppressant also. Those who are suffering from chronic cough whooping or chest congestion, in that case the morphine is given as suppressant, and it suppresses the cough as well because it has sedative effect and it has effect on brain and central nervous system, and that can reduce the cough whooping in case where cough is severe. It also helps to relieve from severe diarrhea. So anyone who is suffering from severe diarrhea, in that condition, morphine is also given. So these are all very important medicinal uses of morphine, and morphine is very, very important in hospitals, in surgical theaters, and also for lot of purposes as a sedative. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.